We automated x.com with Make. By default, it will keep posting news based on a particular topic, and if I need to post on a specific topic, all I need to do is to type what kind of topic I want via WhatsApp, and automation will pull the latest update from the web, create a tweet. A matching image based on your tweet will be generated using Gemini and will be posted on X. With this new AI web search feature, it can pull real-time web data directly into your scenarios without using third-party applications or external APIs. Now let's not waste time and jump into automation. We can just go to our mix scenario. Yeah, this is our mix scenario. In this we have WhatsApp module, Make AI Web Search, which is a new module from Make. It is useful for our web search and we are using OpenAI, Gemini for image generation and X modules. Yeah, we can go in detail for this WhatsApp Watch event. We need WhatsApp connection. For that, we need to just go to metadeveloper.com. The first one is the Meta Developer website. In this, we can see my apps. We can just go to my apps section. Yeah, this interface will come. We have so many apps. We can just create a new one. Yeah, we need to fill all these details and verify business, all things we needed. If you have any inquiry related to WhatsApp connection, feel free to contact us. Yeah, the WhatsApp connection is taken. Now we are sending a message from WhatsApp. Latest AI update, the messages came. Here we can just check. Yeah, latest AI update. The message is we are passing to Make AI web search. Yeah, the message is passed here. We can check how it's working. Wow, the result is here. Yeah, the latest news. GPT 5.2 has been released. All these details have been here. Previously, we are using all those third-party tools for scrapping website details. Now, we can use this module. It will consume 1 credit. The AI token is 10.36 credits. Yeah, it was cool, awesome one. And we are using OpenAI. We have given system developer prompt and also user prompt. In this, we are passing the result from the Make AI web search module, and we are structurizing the output X content, hashtag, and the image generation prompt. Based on the content, we have also needed the image generation prompt. Also, we are generating that from OpenAI. Yeah, we can just check the result. The X content is there. OpenAI 5.2 has been released. All these details here. Hashtag is here. Image generation prompt also is here. Now, we are passing these details to Gemini. For image generation, we are passing the image prompt here and also the aspect ratio also set. The output is given binary format that we are uploading to X. This is basically our own app. You can just get it from our website. Yeah, in this products, we can see a lot of apps from our site. This one is the X module. Just click on Learn More. Yeah, all the details has been here. Now we can check how to set up the connection. Just click here. Yeah, here is the detailed documentation about the connection setup. Yeah, we can go to our scenario. This is the X module. We are uploading the media and choosing it is that image and creating a post here. We can just check the output. Yeah, this is our output. Wow, it was nice. The details has been given here. All these details has been here and also a beautiful image from Gemini. Now we can check how we can take the connection in X. For that, we need to just go to xdeveloper.com. Yeah, the first one is the website. Yeah, we can just go to developer portal. Yeah, this is the developer portal. From here, we can see our app. Yeah, this is our app. Just if you are not created, then just create the app. In settings, we need to configure the details. Yeah, it should be read and write permission we need to give. And also web, it should be web app. We need to give the redirect URI and also website. All details, we can find this document also. Yeah, the detailed documentation is here. What to press, what details we need to choose, what callback URI we need to give. There was separate connection for text post and also media. For media, we need to take V1 connection, and for text type of post, we need to just general connection. If we can just go to add connection. Here we need consumer key, consumer secret, and also validation key because it is from our side. So the validation key also required. We can just go to developer portal. Yeah, in key and token section, we can just see. Yeah, just see this. We can just click on regenerate. You can see API key, API secret, and all those things. We need to just copy this API key and API secret. Just go to make.com in consumer section, consumer key, and consumer key secret we can give. We can see the consumer section. It's for media connection. If you are using just only create post for this connection, we need client ID and client secret. Here we can see, yeah, here is the client ID, here is the client secret. These are the things used in 2 connections we are providing. After going to website, filling the forms and all those details, you will get the M-Square validation key. You need to buy app from our side. It will be available for trial usage. And we have posted this to X. Yeah, this is our X account. The details has been posted. Wow, it looks like awesome. I hope you understand. If you have any queries or related to automation, feel free to contact us. Thank you. And that's it. Real-time AI updates turned into tweets and posted automatically using make.com. No manual work, no external APIs. Subscribe for more AI automations.